Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we would be talking about stages of financial freedom. There is a quote that if your goal is clear in your mind, it becomes more easier for you to achieve that goal. So if your goal also is to achieve that financial freedom, to be financially independent and have that abundance in your life, so this video might be useful for you to get some clue. I myself is working towards the same dream, so let's figure out where do we fall in these stages of financial freedom. So starting with stage 0, which is of dependency. Now in this stage there are mostly the unemployed people and the students who are dependent upon their parents or someone else for their financial needs. So someone who is not earning by any source and is dependent on any other people is considered on stage 0 of financial freedom, which is also referred as dependency stage. Starting with stage 1, which is earning stage. So from stage 0, now you have moved to stage 1 where you have started a job where an income source is created. So now you are no more dependent upon any other people. Now you are able to cover your expenses on your own, but you need to consider that there is job security missing. So maybe you are in a job where you are not very comfortable working, where you don't view your job for a longer period of time. Maybe there are chances of layoff in your job, maybe you think about switching your job, maybe the salary is not good enough for one reason or other. You are in a job which you think about switching, which you are not taking for longer term, so there is no job security. Your income is enough to cover your expenses, but you are not able to make any saving, so there is no saving or investment. Along with that, there are some loans on you. You have taken credit cards, etc., which is creating a financial burden on you. So this is representing stage 1, which is earning stage, where you are not having so much of stability. Now this makes us move towards stage 2, which is about financial stability. So now you are into a job which is serving you a good income, so you are able to make saving out of you after your expenses. You are also able to start investments. Along with that, you are having a kind of job security and you can view your job for a longer period of time. Now, in this financial stability stage, there are loans on you, but you are able to pay loans on time. You are able to pay your credit card bills on your time. So you are having enough money to cover all your expenses, to start your investment, to have some saving and have a job security. That is considered at stage number 2, that is financial stability. So moving towards our stage 3, which is about financial security. So now we saw that in stage 2 you have started investing. In stage 3 you are having created some assets for you. So along with investments, now you are having assets created with you in forms of stocks, mutual funds, real estate properties, etc. So you are having a kind of financial security. Your future is secured enough with your assets and investments created. Along with that, in financial security stage, you have repaid all your loans. So there is no more loan there. There is no debt on you, no financial burden. So here there is no loan. You have created investments and assets for you. Stage 4 is about financial independence. So here, along with your investments, your asset, you have also created passive income sources. Now what exactly is passive income sources? It is something that you are not working, even after that money is getting generated on regular basis. So you have made your efforts or your investment on one particular point of time or one particular stage of time, and after that you are able to generate income even if you are not working towards it. For example, if you have published any book of yours which is selling at a good rate and you are able to generate income. If you have made some investment in dividend stock and you are getting dividend income on regular basis, that is an example of passive income source. To get this segregation, if you want to understand your active income source, so if you are doing a job, you are working on continuous basis and then you are getting paid, that is called active income source. So when we talk about financial independence, we are having assets created, we are having investments done. Along with that, we are having passive income sources where we are able to generate money. Rental income is one such example where you have put your property on rent and you are getting the rental income each month. So that is also a passive income source. Now your passive income sources are enough to cover your expenses for lifetime. That is called the stage of financial independence. No more job requirement for your happiness, for your satisfaction. You can carry your job responsibilities, but if you want, you can quit your job and you can live rest of your life with that financial independence, with that money sources which are being generated on regular basis. Stage 5 is about financial abundance. Now, we have seen that in financial independence stage, we were having enough money to cover our lifetime expenses without any job, because we were able to generate passive income sources, investment income, assets created, etc. Now, when we talk about financial abundance, we are having money that is more than our requirement. So even if we are talking considering our life, our money is more than that. We are able to cover coming generations too. So that is called financial abundance, where you can spend your life exploring the world, growing your business, etc. because your money is there and you can do whatever is your choice. So that is called the stage of financial abundance. Very few people fall in this stage. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked, please hit the like button. That would be really supportive and appreciative. Thank you so much. Bye.